Zona Romántica, aka Old Town, is one of the most desirable, friendly, and vibrant neighborhoods in the city. My name is Edith, I work for Tropicasa Realty as an agent, and I'm going to show you this beautiful condo. For those looking at Mexican charm, this street is perfect. It's calm, it's 2 blocks away from the beach, it's at the edge of the mountain in a dead-end street. Don't worry, we have a funicular that will help you to get easier to your condo Paraiso. This low-density building has all the chill vibes that you're looking for. Let's take a look. One step and you are at this beautiful 876 square feet, 1-bedroom condo with large spaces and wet bath. The condo maintains proudly its charming Mexican touches that makes it real traditional. The condo features a wide terrace to give your personal touch and make it your own sanctuary. Picture yourself cooking with the mountain views, a peekaboo of the ocean, and even a glimpse of the pool. At night, you will be able to enjoy the sunset lights and the peaceful environment. But still, just a few steps from the restaurants, bar, and everything that makes Zona Romántica the heart of Puerto Vallarta. As owner of this property, you will have access to these beautiful amenities. And remember, this condo isn't just a home, it could be a great rental. It's your moment to claim your own Paraiso Tropical. Don't wait to contact me. Send me an email to edith@tropicasa.com or visit our website.